There's a thunderstorm coming. Wow. This is just awesome. Look at these clouds. Ranging from all the way around me. And then, of course, above me, but of course that was, obvious. No, it's really cool outside, so I don't know if the storm's going to really do a whole lot, but if anything, it's going to be a thunderstorm, and we've kind of needed one for a while, and, it hasn't been so much, it hasn't been that hot out lately at all, actually. All the hot, humid air has pretty much gone to the south lately. We haven't. Oh wow! Is it raining over there? You can see off in the distance where you can kind of see where it fades. The background kind of fades. Way behind those trees, way off to the in the distance, you can see where it's kind of raining. Wow! It's gonna rain here any second. If I have to, I'll go inside, but I'll go on my balcony and tape some footage of the rain. Hopefully it starts raining, but I don't know. But yeah, it's just lightning like crazy out here. I don't know if you guys can see it through this camera, but probably not. But it's raining, or it's not raining. It's lightning out. But no, it's quite nice out here. The wind isn't as bad as every other time I've been out here. Funny enough, when I was coming back from dropping my roommate off from work, on my way in, it started to getting windy outside. And as I was pulling in, it wasn't so windy, but when I got out of the car, it started to get windy. And wow, whoa, is this storm moving fast? Shit. Well, this is my little storm thing. It's getting windy, and it looks like it's going to get nasty out here, so I'm going to go inside and maybe take some of this from my balcony. Nothing major on the news as far as any severe weather, but I'm on my balcony now, so I can kind of stay safe here in case it got bad out there where I was. So, no, it's raining now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's definitely raining out here, and it's kind of nice. I like the smell of rain. But, no, the storm's moving really, really fast. Oh, holy shit, it's really raining now. Ah. But, no, it's nice up here, actually. You don't have to worry about the rain, and just, I'm right here inside with my cat, of course. But, no, I see no severe weather as far as tornado activity or anything. It's too cool out for that anyways, but no, it's nice. This weather's really cool. I mean, look at those formations. These cloud formations are just sick. In case you guys don't know where I'm at, actually I'm in Minnesota, so it's just, you have an idea what the weather is like over here. But, wow, it's raining. I can't lie, it's raining. But, anyways, no. Like I was saying earlier before I got cut off by the storm, when I came in, it wasn't really raining that hard. It was not even, there was sprinkling, and there was no wind, so I figured, okay, I can take a video out here with no wind. And apparently I was wrong, because right when I got in my car, the wind started back up. So it's almost like the wind knows I'm going to take a video, so it starts getting all windy and whatnot. Right here it isn't so bad. I don't have all the wind, unlike out there. That tree is actually where I was or about where I was, and it was pretty windy out there. You can see the wind out there on that tree. So no, it's nice out here. I like the rain. Really like it. Although, of course, there's nothing like a monsoon in Arizona. Nothing compares to those. Because, yes, they're dangerous, but they're not gonna... I wonder if it's gonna hail. No, I'm almost kind of wondering if I should get out of this or not. Yeah, it's okay. This thing will take it. This thing will take it. Take the rain. I'll stay inside, but I'll use my camera. Kind of dry here. It should be fine. No, there's nothing to take any water into this device, so. So I'm not saying too much, but this is kind of my Thunderstorm experience here. First time on YouTube. Pretty cool indeed. When I was coming back also, I thought I saw a funnel cloud, but that can't be a funnel cloud, and no way, but I thought I saw one, but oh, holy shit. Here comes the rain now. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh man, we haven't had a rainstorm like this in a long time. It's actually quite nice. Well, I don't know if you guys hear the thunder, but it's thundering too, of course. This is awesome though. Absolutely awesome. My car is, let's see. My car is, no, it's through those trees somewhere. I can't really show you, but it's down there. But, wow. Awesome. Never thought I'd be able to do this on camera. That second window is my room. Woo! Kick some ass. But, didn't expect for it to rain today. Not at all. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see those clouds moving at all, but those are moving goddamn fast. Very, very fast. And the fact that I can capture all this is awesome. I don't know, guys. This is my rant for today. I'm gonna get going here. It's getting kind of heavy outside, so I'll talk to you guys later. It's been fun dancing in the rain with you guys. Talk to you later. Peace. Jesus, look at this, guys. Just raining cats and dogs now. You see the rain coming right off the... Holy shit. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome, guys. We're gonna dance. Or not. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, guys. I better go. Talk to you later. It's really, really fucking wet outside. See ya.